welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, go hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Also, go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. We are lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. Today, I just wanted to create this video. I got some hair sent to me from One Hair Stop. So One Hair Stop is the first international e-commerce website based out of India. They're offering all kinds of hair extensions. It's 100% virgin Indian hair. So they sent me 3 bundles of the 12-inch natural wavy hair with a 12-inch closure. This hair is just like a natural wave. When it's wet, it's like just a natural wave. I decided to go ahead and bleach it and just give me a nice honey blonde with some dark roots and like just some like, you know, deeper blondes throughout the back and everything, and left the back really dark so we could just give it, I don't know, some color, just something different. I just wanted to try something different. Best thing about this hair that I love, it took bleach so well, like so well. I bleached like a lot of hair in my lifetime, and it takes a lot of time to really get like a light blonde with certain hairs. So I really love the fact that this blonde took just like that. Like it was so easy, so fast, and I fell in love with that. I love the closure. Y'all know how I feel about closures. I'm not a big fan of like frontals anymore just because it's too much maintenance. So I'm a big fan of closures. I like this closure because it just melts into my scalp, okay? Like, girl. I did have to bleach the knots, which is, you know, not a big deal to me. I feel like with anything, you should bleach the knots anyway, just to, you know, be safe, on the safe side. You want it to look as natural as possible, like I say in all of my videos. And I also did pluck it, which you will see in the video. One thing that I did not like about the hair, when I did open it up and just started running my fingers through it, I was getting some shedding. So I was scared about that because I was gonna bleach it, and I'm like, if it's shedding now, I know it's gonna be shedding when I, like, you know, bleach it. Once I bleached it, it actually didn't shed. I think it was just, I don't know, like just some loose hair, I don't know, but it wasn't, it's not shedding now. It doesn't shed. I like can run my fingers through it, and I probably get like one strand of hair. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look and how I created this curls and this color, then make sure you keep on watching.
Alright, so starting off, I have it in like, it's just natural wave pattern. This is literally out the pack. I just made it into a wig. So I parted the front part of the hair first because I know I wanted that to be lighter than everything else. So of course I'm using my WB-40 and I said my WB-40, my WB2 and then the 40 developer. So, and I'll list everything down in the description. So basically my method was to just do the back comb method. I parted like really thin pieces of hair throughout the whole head just so I can like get as much, you know, like streaks and blonde as possible. So you'll see me back combing it, and that is just to help with, you know, not making it like a really blonde harsh line like right across. That'll make it look more natural and like more just like flow evenly like through the blonde. You'll see with the finished result, but you get what I'm saying. So I never used the like, you know, aluminum foil method where the like how I'm doing right now. Like I usually just do it like dumb but I love this way of just putting it on a mannequin head and then doing the like piece by piece aluminum foil. I think it's so much like less messier, so much more precise and quicker, honestly. So here I am again. I'm doing the back comb method, and you see it's getting scrunched up at the roots. So that's just, I don't know, it just made it less harsh when it comes to like the line. So I definitely recommend that. So I'm going through, combing it through. Some pieces you'll see me combing through because they are thicker than some of the pieces. And I just wanted the bleach to get through to, you know, all over the front part. I didn't really care when it came down to the end parts, like as far as like the back, just because I wanted the back to be like, you know, less bleached, more so like streaks compared to the front. So this part right here, I'm going to be doing like, I don't even know what to call this. I think it's like, let's just call it like the scissor method. Lord, I don't know. The hairstylists of YouTube are going to be killing me right now for like probably butchering the name. But basically all you do is take the end of like a rat tail comb, and you'll go through each and every other piece of hair and you know, like bleach that. So that'll just give it like a again, like a more streaky look and less of like me trying to bleach the whole head. I just wanted some parts in the back to be highlighted, and you'll see it at towards the end when I show you the back of the hair. You'll see how it's not like fully blonde like how the front is. It's more so like streaks, if that makes sense. I hope it does. So the rest of this, I literally just did all of it. I left most of the back out because I really just wanted the back to be dark, like fully dark, and then like some streaks in the back, and then the front mostly blonde. So yeah, so now you see in the back, you see how it's like some pieces are light and then the rest are dark, like, and then the front is like fully light. That's exactly what I was going for. So yeah, I just combed it out, blow dried it and everything. Now this isn't how the hair looked, you know, freshly blow dried. I actually curled it into the side part, but I didn't like the side part, so I decided to just wear it, and then I was like, I don't like it, so I turned it into a middle part. And instead of using I think I had a 20-inch curler, I decided to just go ahead and use my wand curls. And I didn't do it like for long. Usually I'll leave my wand curls on for like 30, 50 seconds. But for these curls that I was going for, which were like a lot more looser and more like beach wavy, I decided to leave it on for about 10 to 15, maybe 20 seconds, because I didn't want the curls to be really, really tight. So that's what you're going to be seeing me do throughout the rest of the head. Now I'm just going to be going in with my tweezers. People think that because it's a closure, you don't have to pluck a closure like how you do with the lace frontal, but I pluck every single closure that I get. It just makes it look way more natural. It makes the part look way more natural. I also thin out the closure because closures can be really thick. I don't like my closures to be really thick. I like them to look really natural. So you're going to see me doing the part, and then you're also going to be seeing me plucking at just the hairline in general, like more so towards the middle, like right now. And that just makes it look a lot thinner and just more natural looking. And also helps with cutting the baby hairs as well. So with the front part of the hair, I didn't want it to be like drop curls. So I just flat ironed it and twisted it and made it like really loose, like swoops. And that is the end of that. I love the turnout. Look at that. It's so pretty.
Y'all, so this is the final look. I have my curls intact. I have, you know, my hair all nice and bleached. The closure all nice and laid. I was ready to say frontal because listen, you gotta make your closure look like a frontal. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you go check me out on Instagram and Twitter because I will be uploading some fire pics in this wig. Let me know how y'all like it down in the comments, and I will see y'all in my next video.